Hello my dear techies and welcome back to another new Excel video. So in this video I will show you some basic function that includes arithmetic functions and text function. So let's begin. What if I want to know the total salary for each employee we have in this data table? You can see once I select this column here, it is showing the total sum value of all the salary, right? And also it is giving the average value. But how can I put it here? There is a function that is called sum, and I will give the first number and click Ctrl on your keyboard, then Shift and press down arrow. It will select the whole column and close the bracket, and boom, that's the total salary. What is the average of these salaries? Again, there is a function that is called average. You see the second one, hit tab, first bracket will open, and again in the same way select on this cell, hit Ctrl, Shift down arrow, select the whole column, close the bracket, hit enter, and boom, we got the average salary. Now the subtraction part is very simple. Let's see. Let's suppose on a temporary basis I am taking two data, that is 100 and 500. Okay, and I want the subtraction, the multiplication and division of both these data. Okay, so what I have to do, just click on this cell, then give the subtraction and then hit the other cell and hit enter. Multiplication in the same way, this cell and multiplied by this cell, hit enter. Divide, again equals, hit this cell, divided by this cell, hit enter, you will get the data. That now let's see some text function. Once you look into the data properly, you will see the full name, email, the departments are not formatted correctly, are they? No, right? So what we have to do, there are a lot of blank spaces, the formatting is wrong, we have to clean it. This is wrong, but we need to clean it, right? So to remove these blank spaces, I will use trim function that is available in Excel. Trim, I will select the cell number and boom, we removed the unnecessary blank spaces. For all of them, we do not need to do one by one. I'm just zooming in a little bit so I can show you. You see there is a box, small box, and once I hover on that, the plus icon appears, and once that appears, I will double click on it, and for all of them it will apply, right? Now we removed the blank spaces, but the formatting is not correct for the name, right? So to do that, I will use proper. So to do proper, I also have to select the cell on which I want to apply the function and hit enter. And again in the same way, just click on the box, and once the plus icon appears, just double click on it, and it will do for all of them. And the upper and lower is for, you can see I wrote the description for all this function. The upper used to help the cell data in uppercase, and the lower to convert the cell data in lowercase, right? Let's convert in uppercase and hit enter, and for lower and hit enter. Just select it and it's done for all of them. For the email and the department, it's homework for you guys. Just do it your own and share with me. Okay. Okay. What if I want the first name of all these employees? What I have to do? One way of doing is flash fill. Okay. How to do that? Pause the screen and comment down what is the process for doing the flash fill. To find the first name, use the left function. It is asking for a text. You can see I will select the text, then the number of characters to select from the left. So what is the function of left? It will start selecting from the left till the number of characters it is mentioned, right? So let's suppose how many characters it has, 5 characters. So if I hit 5 and hit enter, it will give us Arab. But there is an issue. What the issue? Do you recognize? If you, then comment down below. So the issue is, it is only applicable to this Arab, but for the other one it will not give us the correct value. For Ananya there are 6 characters, but it only selects up to 5 characters, and that is not an expected result, right? To correct it, we will delete it. Okay. Now, what is the correct approach? The correct approach is, I will use the left, but there is a thing we need to understand. We will select the Arab, or let's suppose I am taking the Vihan or Ananya. Okay, it has 6 characters, but after that there is a space, that is the delimiter, and I will ask Excel to find the space value and what is its index. So if let's suppose it has 6 characters in Ananya, right? In that case the blank space index will be 7. So I will ask Excel to find the index value of the blank space and subtract 1 from the index value. It will give me the index of last A, that is the number of characters we need, or number of characters it hold in the first name, right? So let's see it in action. So let's suppose I will select left and then select the data, and I'm asking here, I'm requesting Excel to give me the index value of the blank. I'm requesting Excel to find the index value of the blank in the cell, in this cell. Okay, it will give me 6 in this case, because 1 2 3 4 5 and blank is in 6th, so it will give me 6 minus 1. So the one gives us the number of characters, that is 5, and hit enter. See the first name, right? And now if I hit the double click, it will give us the correct values. Before moving to the right, I am showing a different function, that is length function, that is available in Excel. Why I am showing you, you will be able to understand in a few minutes, that the length function will give us the length of the data. In Arab Sharma we have 5 characters in the first name and 1 2 3 4 5 6 characters in the last name. So what is 5 plus 6 is 11 characters are there, so the length should be 11, but let's see what it returns. It returns 12. You know why? Because there is a blank and it is also counting it as a character, so that's why it is giving us 12. So if I do it for all, let's do it for the first name only, okay, so that you can understand it proper. Yep. And if I hit double tap, yep, it's giving me the length of the first name only. Okay, we'll need to find the blank space, the index of the blank space actually, that is for this case 6, and the total length of this thing is 12, right? If we subtract 6 from 12, what left is 6. So the total length, not left, it should be length, total length of Arab Sharma subtracting the blank value from Arab Sharma. and hit enter. What is wrong? We have found a typo in your formula and try to correct it to right. Okay, I missed one bracket. Yes, it should work. This bracket was not there, this last bracket was not there, so that's why it's showing the error. Yeah, this h2 is the cell. I am applying the right function on h2 cell, and after that this is this part, this find part is the number of characters. This length minus find is the number of characters, right? So length of h2 will give me the 12 will give me 12 in this case, that is the length of whole data, subtracting the blank space value from it. So this part will get removed. Are you able to understand that this part is getting removed and only this part will be there, and right will select the 6 characters, the left 6 character from the data. In case it is not, please let me know.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
That was all today. We covered.
Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Just see this video and this will help you to get through the interview. I hope it is clear to you. In case it is not, please let me know in the comment. I will guide you personally, and if this video gives you some value, please subscribe to this channel. I will bring another new Excel video tomorrow, and till then, thank you for watching and bye. As you can see,
this is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.